G'day folks. So I caught a beautiful coral trout out on Ellie Beach fishing charters the other day, and quite a few people have been asking me, how do you cook coral trout? Well, I've got a couple of the fillets here and I'm going to show you. Now, coral trout is a beautiful fish. It's one of the best eating fish you'll ever taste, but it's a very delicate fish, so you don't want to overpower it, okay? You don't want to destroy the flavor of the coral trout. So I do it pretty basically, pan fried in a little bit of butter with some ginger and garlic and a little bit of lemon juice. That's about all you need, okay? Let's get into it. Now, these fillets came from a pretty big fish. As you can see, they're pretty decent, so I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces. There's one, and then we'll go one down there. All right, into a medium pan. Butter. So once you've got your butter melted and the ginger and garlic in, just going to place our pieces of fish in. A little bit of salt. And a good squeeze of lemon juice. So you can see that's starting to cook through now. They're fairly thick pieces of fish, so we're not going to get them cooked all the way through in the pan. Give them another minute on that side. Another squeeze of lemon juice. And then once that's done, the whole lot is going into the oven. Make sure you have an oven-proof fry pan. Oh, wouldn't be the first time I've burned a handle on a fry pan. All right, so out of the oven we go. Beautiful piece of coral trout. Little squeeze of lemon over the top. Sprinkle of parsley. Serve with a warm potato salad and freshly made coleslaw. Beautiful. And to top it off, what goes well with it, a really good Australian beer. I've got deep water pale ale, really nice beer, guys. So if you see the deep water beer, give it a try. Really good and goes really well with coral trout. That easy, guys. That easy to cook. Basic, simple, and bloody beautiful. Ask any Aussie, they'll tell you. Cheers.